cooking. I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. This is about the only thing you need to do to show your support and motivate me to create more contents and recipes for you to watch. Today we're going to be making a hybrid between an omelet and a crepe / Brazilian cheese bread. So this is my new favorite breakfast. I've been eating this 3 times a week, especially now that I've cut down the sugar intake or the added sugar from my diet. So I'm not much of an egg person, but I've been eating this maybe 3 times a week, and it's so easy and simple and so delicious, especially for me when I'm craving bread. This satisfies that crave. So this is very simple and I'm giving you the basic, okay? All the ingredients and the recipe will be posted in the comments down below, but for every egg, we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of tapioca starch and 1 tablespoon of whole plain yogurt or fat-free plain yogurt. I am only seasoning with salt, but you could use pepper, herbs. Sometimes I use nutritional yeast, so you can get a little creative, but this is the base of the recipe. So let's get started with the eggs. For me, 2 eggs is more than enough. When I make for my husband, I do make 3 eggs for him. And again, for every egg, you increase the amount of tapioca starch and yogurt. So here we have the tapioca starch. I like, if you have the option, I like the sour, which is fermented, but I know it's not as easy to find. And then here we have the plain yogurt. And we're gonna use, let me just leave this here, just a little bit of salt. So mix it pretty well. I'm using a fork, but you could use a whiskey as well. I think for this amount of batter, this is not necessary, so I use a fork. I break the egg and then I mix it really, really well. Now that it's all really well mixed, we're going to turn the stove top to low to medium low. And my stove, that's number 4. And then we're going to spray a little bit so it doesn't stick to the pan. Now that the pan is warm, we're going to add the mixture and then cover. Cook it for about 5 minutes. So the reason we cover it up is because we want to make sure that the tapioca starch is cooked all the way through. And then go ahead after about 5 minutes. You should see that everything is cooked. It may actually rise, bubble up and rise, and it looks beautiful, but don't get your hopes up once you flip it and once you put it in your plate, it won't deflate it. So however you flip this, you can use a spatula. Mine sometimes doesn't work. Or you can use the lid. And it's ready. So just about a minute on the other side because it's already pretty much cooked because we covered up. And then this is it. It's so nice and fluffy. So I'm going to show it to you. I usually roll mine, like flip it like this. Look at this. It's so good. It's not too eggy. That's why I like it. And see what I mean? It may get like super nice and fluffy, like souffle, but it will deflate it. But it's very, very nice and soft. It's a little gooey, so if you've had Brazilian cheese bread, you know what I'm talking about. That's the consistency that you're gonna get from the tapioca starch, but this is also gluten-free. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave some comments down below and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.